how cool is this Vool key? This is the key to the Vool 05, and this is what Vool stands for. Vehicle Ultra High Performance Lightweight. Check out what this key can do. Look at this. This is how you fill up the tank. Twist that around. Pop that back in. Now this car has the most amazing start sequence. This is how you start her up. This is the master key. So when it's against the wind, it's off. When it's with the wind, it's now on. Now we're gonna register the key. Just place it on this pad here. Key's now registered. Let's get in. This is how you put the wheel on. Grab this, pull that back. Done. Okay. Now, this car has about 300 horsepower, but it goes 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds, so it's fast. It's like a race car for the road. Okay. Now, we're gonna start her up. Okay, it's a manual, it's a neutral. So cool. Driving around Mexico City in the Vool, the supercar here. What's up? That turbo sounds amazing, doesn't it? Wow. That was cool. I love it so much. Now, guess how you turn it off? The master switch.